Hello student, today we will do question number 6 and 7 from exercise 5.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question is the first and the last term of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. Means 6, question number 6. A is equal to 17, L is equal to 350. If the common difference is given 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So number of terms, we will use this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to 350 is equal to a is 17 plus n minus 1 into d is 9. 17 will come this side, so subtract 10 minus 7, 3, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. N minus 1 is equal to 3 by 9. Seven. N is equal to 1 will come this side, add 38. So n is 38. Now what is their sum? Means Sn. S 38 is equal to then formula n by 2 into a plus L. This formula we will use. So n is 38 by 2 and a is 17 and L is 350. So this will be 19. This will be 19 multiply 367. If we will multiply this, we will get 6973. This is answer. This is answer and this is answer. Now see question number 7. Question 7. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of AP in which D is equal to given. D is equal to 7 and A 22 term is 149. Only this. Find the sum of 22 terms. N is given. N is equal to 22. This is only given and we have to find sum, Sn. So A is not given. So first we will find A using formula this formula. Using this formula we will find so 149 is equal to a plus n minus 1 means 21 into d is 7, so one 149 is equal to a plus, if you multiply then 147, a is equal to 149 minus 147 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Now we will use formula this is 22 is equal to 22 by 2 into a plus L. L is 149. This will be 11. This is 151. If you multiply this, we will get 1661. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care.